Hello, we continue to improve our computer performance by changing some Windows 10 setting. We go to Start. We need always to make a check for the update. We click here, check for update. We should always be sure that our computer is up to date, because the update make your Windows always optimized. So here, like you see, we have some update to install, so we let the computer make them. We go back, we go to System. We need to check our Windows version. About. Here, like you see, our Windows version is 19.9. So this is the last Windows Pro version. Storage. Here we need to check the temporary file. If we have any temporary file, maybe make our system more slow, so we need to delete it. Like you see here, I have 39.5 GB of temporary files. So I will see them and I will check them. So like you see here, we have the download folder that we have in it 37.9 GB. So if you want to delete this, you need to check it, the box here. If you don't want, just uncheck it. Okay, Windows Update Cleanup. Here, every update that Windows downloaded in your computer is always stored in the local drive. So if you want to delete it, just check it. If you don't want, just uncheck it. And if you delete it, the update will not be uninstalled. It's still installed in your computer. This is just a copy. Okay, for the thumbnail, I advise you to delete it. Windows Defender Antivirus, I advise you to delete it too. Delivery optimization file. This is make your computer more faster. For example, you opened an application now and you need to open it again another time. So the next time you open it, it will be open more fast than the first time. So this is what the optimization file do for your computer. I always let it like this. I never check. For the temporary internet file, Windows error, all the other, it's okay, you can check them, and then you click here remove file and you will see all the file will be deleted. Then you can check again your temporary file. You will see here that you have more free space in your computer. So this is for this video. I hope that I gave you new codes. See you in the next video.